Hello and welcome to DFY Hero, the most complete website creator ever. In the next minute, you'll see how easy it is to create a new website from complete scratch. So let's get started. To begin, we simply log into your DFY Hero account. As you can see, DFY Hero provides you with a clean and user-friendly dashboard that's unlike any other website builder. Forget about a complicated setup. With DFY Hero, all you need is to click on the Add New Site tab on the left sidebar menu to start creating your professional-looking website. As you can see here, DFY Hero provides you with a stunning selection of done-for-you website templates for all industries and niches that you can pick and edit to create beautiful websites quickly and efficiently. Let's look at the different types of templates you'll find here. You'll see we have templates for every business you can imagine. You'll find templates for e-com stores, digital product creators, list building, membership websites, and all kinds of offline niches like real estate, cleaning services, coaching, medical, health and fitness, restaurants, spas and salons, law firms, car repair shops, bakeries, and many, many more. They're organized by category and industry, so it's easier to find and select the best website template for your business. You will find these template categories by going to the top of the templates page. So now you've seen inside. Let me show you how easy it is to create a new website from scratch in less than 1 minute. To start, click to choose our category. We'd like to create a website for a local restaurant, so let's click on Local Business. There, you'll see our selection of local business website templates you can choose from. Each one is done for you and ready to customize. All we have to do now is hover over this restaurant template preview and then click on the Select button. Now we have to enter the site's info. We're simply going to enter a custom site address URL, then the site title. Now we're going to select the site language. Finally, we have to click on Add Site, and that's it. As you can see, it was incredibly easy to create a new website using DFY Hero. There's no fussing around with installing complicated software, setting up hosting or domain names. It's completely installed with that one easy click. Let's quickly create another type of site. For this, let's click on Add New Site to go back to the templates page. There, let's click on Squeeze Page to create a lead capture page. Now we have to pick a template. Let's select this one, which looks clean and has all the right elements to be a high-converting squeeze page. Let's now enter the custom site address URL, then the site name. English is the language we'll use as default, so let's simply click on Add Site to finish. Awesome job! Another site created in under 1 minute. Crazy, right? Let's click on Add New Site again to create yet another website. This time, let's click on e-commerce, and let's select this one here. Next, let's enter the site address URL and the site name. Let's keep the default site language, and then let's click on Add Site to finish. That's 3 entire websites created in under 3 minutes. Truly unbelievable. But that's the power of DFY Hero. Once you create your websites, you'll find them in the My Sites section. From here, you can access and edit your sites so you can customize them to meet your business needs. Let's do that now with the first website we created. Simply click on Dashboard. You'll go directly to that site's dashboard where you can customize it however you like. DFY Hero uses the highly flexible Elementor website editor, so customizing is as easy as drag, drop, click, and edit for results you'll see instantly. To edit any post or page of the site, we simply click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the post or page in Elementor mode. Here, you can edit every element in your site's template, add your own content, and if you like, add other elements from the Elements menu to the left. Here, we'll simply replace the stock template elements with our own content. Let's start by editing the copy on top of this page. First, the big text. Then, the text above the big text. And then the text below the big text. You can see that some of the elements included in this template are unique to the industry we pick, such as these images, which we can edit simply by clicking on the edit icon. There is some stock copy that you can preserve on the template, such as this one in the description. So what we'll do now is to skip this description so we can edit this testimonial text. You can even edit the entire menu here or the entire footer here. To save your changes, you simply click on the Update button. Once you save, your updates are live. Your website is online for the world to see. Click and buy whatever you want to sell them. And that's it, my friends. As you can see, DFY Hero lets you tap into all the power of expensive website builders without the complicated stuff, allowing you to create amazingly looking, highly professional websites in under a minute. If you'd like to have your own website live in moments from now, simply sign up and get immediate access today. You'll be blown away by how easy it is. Guaranteed.